All right, guys, I'm doing part two here, quick part two of this sound and noise test for the Cruising Comfort air conditioning unit. It's a pretty quick video. I did the best I could on this, trying to let you hear it. If you get past 30 or 40 yards, you ain't going to hear it at all. It's a very calm white noise. It's not a high frequency that would draw your attention towards the van. Like I said the other day, across the parking lot, you'd never hear this. From the inside, I've got a video of that. You can't hear the outside fan at all. My third setting is a little bit louder, but I'm getting a new thermostat from Cruising Comfort. I think there's a pin detached inside this thermostat. We were talking about that. So he said, let me just send another one. We'll switch them out. And as it's an easy fix, but stuff on warranty, I don't want to mess with. So I just let him do that. These guys are great over there when it comes to that. I mean, I was probably on the phone with him an hour the other night talking about something else, and it just ended up we started talking about the thermostat, and he had me switch speeds, and I said, I'm pretty sure this has 3 speeds, but I can only seem to get 2, so we're going to fix that. But that's not too much louder than what you heard. I had it on 2, the second speed. I didn't put it on the verse speed because the verse speed's so quiet you can't even hear it. It's just a light flow of air, just throwing the temperature into the room. So to give you a good idea on the middle setting, which is cooling this thing off very well, I might add, what it does. So anyway, with no further ado, I'm going to do these quick sound tests so you can hear them. And if you got any other questions, just let me know. And I think it's Sylvia that had the comment, bear with me, I'm going to find a day that has some good sunlight between 1 p.m. and 7 p.m. because it's where I'm in the southeastern United States. We have tropical weather, and some days I don't get that this time of year or so, but I will get one, I know. And I'll park it somewhere, and I'll run that thing, and I'll see what the battery usage is on that with the and how it handles on that for sure. So anyway, thank you so much for watching, and we'll talk to you in the next video. Be cool. Bye. Okay, this is from 1 foot from the van. Sorry for the road noise. This is under the van. And this is directly from the front of the van. You can't hear it. About 15 feet from the van now. It's very quiet. I'm about 40 or 50 yards from the van now. You can faintly hear it, but nothing that draws attention. It's not overly loud. And now I'm walking closer to the van, approaching it. I'm standing behind the van, about 1.5 feet from it. Now I'm inside the van. You cannot hear the outside fan. And this is the blower on, there's 3 speeds, so this is on the 2nd speed. My 3rd speed isn't working right now, but it's just a little bit louder. Closer to it. It's very quiet. About 1.5 feet of that diffuser. This is from the front of the van. 12 feet away.